Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I will show you how to gain weight fast naturally for skinny girls in just 7 days. You will drink this thing every morning for 7 days and will you see result. The first ingredient you need is raw egg. Raw egg contains enough nutrients that will help you to gain weight. You don't need to boil the egg. You will use only the raw one. The raw one, don't boil it. Break it, then you have to mix it properly well. Mix this raw egg well. So after you have properly mixed it, the next ingredient is evaporated milk. You might have heard about evaporated milk. There are also liquid milk out there. Don't use the powder one. Use this evaporated milk because of the effective nutrients inside it. So you have to add it, mix it with this raw egg you have just broken. So once you have added the milk, you have to mix the two ingredients properly well. Mix them together. Mix them well. After you have mixed it, then you have to get a glass and pour it inside the glass so we use to drink it. Remember, it should be every morning before eating. I have finished making the nutrients and it will help you to gain weight. So you have to drink these ingredients every day for 7 days. I have taken it now. You have to take it for 7 days like I said, and it will help you to gain weight. Take it every morning and it works. I also give the kids, they like drinking it. It's very healthy for the kids as well. Okay. Watching, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. I'll be making another video soon. Thanks for watching.